what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello everyone, it's me, Ivan, a 9-year-old boy. A 9-year-old boy. Today I'll show you how to make part 14 of Super Mario. Today, as I said, we're going to be adding slopes. Just before we start, go into the editor sprite and drag out the tile. Just open the tile shape list. And I'm just going to, not the tile shape. And I'm just going to, 1 second, because I'm just going to check if we added the sloping tiles. Yep, we did. Okay. Now, let's now edit this. This is going to the tile costume. Remember we did like the first tile shape like costume for hash, but for the second one, we will have to do just like copy it from the screen. Yeah. It's like then put like the like keep doing this until 56, but just copy like for insurance, just like each one of them is different. So yeah. Also gonna and also for 57 to 67 we put hashes. Oops, not 77. Until 67, yes. And yeah, it's finished. The list editing. So let's get some real coding up. And then now in the Mario sprite, locate to define for anything. Let's just get tested like for the slopes. I think yeah, we added the 5 key. I'm just gonna go to I'm just gonna try some slopes if this works. It may take time, but I'm just gonna make it. it's a bit hard to make this actually auto range. So yeah. Yeah. Now if I just place some enemies too to make then we can't go up the slope yet, but I'm just gonna tell you something. Like if you just gonna make a small platform over here. If you like, I think yeah, the slope you can. It's like it's not even half tile, but like these slopes. I'm just gonna make a wall to stop any enemies across. These slopes like make. Oh my god. These slopes like it's perfect. Like the middle slope in the between both of them, like here. This place. If you try, it's perfect, so we don't need to fix that collision. So let's get started scratching for the other collisions. Go into the Mario spot and find the define fixed collisions at point. And now right after the mod, set mod y to y mod 2, set TMP to letter 1 of tile shape, like the tile shape list. Oh, I forgot the tile shape variable. Oh. Done. And then drag it if and put it under the TMP. Then you put an OR and get 2 equal signs. And check if TEMP equals / and backward slash. And then, and in the if, put a set, we're gonna make 2 new variables. M for this part only, and C for this part only. Just gonna hide the new variables. Now, in the if, put a set M to 1 divided by letter 2 of tile shape, and then set C to letter 3 of tile shape multiplied by another multiplied by 32 multiplied by x, like that. No, 32 multiplied by m, not 32 multiplied by x. And put another check. Check if TEMP equals / I'm not sure if it's / but just, and then set M to 0 minus M. exact, and set C2. And now outside the if TMEP equals / put a set, make a new variable named offset y for this part only, and set offset y to mod y minus mod x multiplied by m plus c. Exact. And now under the if offset y, put an if, checking if not offset y equals less than 0, then we stop this script. And now under the if offset y is less than 0, not, put an if, checking if to fix dy is less than 0. And then we simply change y by zero minus offset y, and then set solid to 10. Oops. And I'm just gonna and stop this script. Yeah, I think we can test now. Now if I just go to level 5, and if I go here, you just see, I'm just gonna do here. If you should see, like, you can't walk up this hill yet, but you can smoothly walk down, like without like any problem. For now, the only problem is I just want to remove these enemies. So I'll build a new wall here, and remove the enemies. Like that. And now we can't we can walk down the slope. Wait. Oopsie. I think I didn't add for this collision. Just wait a second. Did I? It's one of this tile, 55. I'm just gonna click on edit spread and show the tile shape list. Let's see for 55. Oh, I just almost forgot. Like for the if TMEPM equals / for the C, we didn't code it up. Just put 32 minus C in there. And because we added the tile shape, just gonna go to level 5 and test. Yep, it's working good. And now, like, but we need to still fix something that we can walk up a slope, because now if we just jump to like a middle of the slope, or we just walk to it by going up, I'm just gonna try to get up. We can't even go up the slope, but this point is okay. This point. So yeah, let's continue coding. We still got lots of things to implement. Then right after the if fix dx is less than 0, put an if. Checking if fix dy fix dy is equal to 0. And put an equal fix dy is greater than 0 equals m is greater than 0. Like that. Now inside we can put something. And now in that if, put a change x by offset y divided by m. Oops. Oh, come on. And then just duplicate and set solid to 10 and stop the script. And I'm just gonna test if everything works still. We still teleport, I know. I think like we don't teleport that much anymore. We still teleport like on those slopes, right? Now go find the fixed collisions in direction. And for the fixed collision on point blocks over there, surround all of them for the repeat 2, and put it if, checking if solid is less than 1. And then stop the script. Now if we test, I hope there are no more glitches. Now. Still a bit. Oh yeah, we didn't finish it. And now locate the defined moves by x. And make a new variable named orig_y, original y, or orig_y for shortcuts, for this sprite only. And then at the top of the move sprite x, put a set orig_y to 0. Set orig_y to y. And then put an if else in between the change x speed by speed x and fixed collisions. And just before the if else, put another fixed collision of -1 and 0. 0, -1. And then put a y if y greater than orig_y plus and another plus after, plus abs of speed x plus 4, like that. And then put in the if was set y to a rig y, and then fix collision and direction in the bottom of the scripts in the if. And now let's have a test. Zooming in, I just built a little platform for some fun. You can also see the rig y changing, but that's not what we're after now. Now see, we can walk up a slope. Can you believe it? But I'm just gonna give you the main hint. Because, can you see that I'm just gonna make this higher? Can you see that? For if you go up a slope, you get faster acceleration. So now looks super speed. But there's still some bugs to uncover. Like this bug. If you like pull tires without the bottoms, if like that, if you make it, it would just go wrong immediately because like you can only like jump walk it. Just teleport Mario to the original spot. And I'm sure this can be jumped through. The bottom collision works well, but the top collision don't. If you go up the slope, it will just see it just like you're like just like you can't jump. You can just have to wait for it to teleport you around. Yeah, it's just up. But we're not gonna fix that bug in this episode. We're just gonna mainly focus on the slow beam. Now in the else, put it if speed y is greater than a rig y. Oh my god. And then set speed x to speed x multiplied by 0.85. And now we can test. Oh my god, I'm just gonna need a low level 5 up again and do some a little bit parkour. Of this. And yeah, now let's test as we go up the slope. No, not the slope, I need better remove that. Or so I hope this will work because I need a taller slope to try on. Please tell me it will work. Please tell me it will work. Yeah. It is. Oh my god, I'm even faster. I need to fix this. Like, I forgot that for this speed y, it's a y is greater than a rig y. So change that. And I think, yep, we get slower as we climb the slope. And if we run down, yep, it's working good. Well, I'm just gonna make like a taller slope to run down, make it fun. To be honest, it looks very fun if you do this. If your level's like 100 block high or 1,000, you can like run down the slope in crazy speed. Yep. Now we're on the hand. You can also use this. I think you'll make a triangle. I may have triangle over here and here. Okay. Anyways, let's continue scratching. And now let's drag the move sprite X into the enemy sprite so we can make the enemies on slope. I'm just gonna surround it with and replace the new, like just drag it in and replace our old move sprite X and the enemy with the new, but put the turn 180 in the if solid greater than 0 still. And now go back into the player sprite and locate define fixed collisions at point XY. And I think, yeah, we have to drag that in also. We have to also drag the fixed, 2 more to go. Drag the fixed collisions in direction at fixed collision at point XY part into the enemy sprite here. Paste the new one. Yeah, just gonna clean up the blocks. And at last, the fixed collisions in direction. That's gonna, and the enemy, go back into enemy sprite and locate the fixed collisions in direction. And delete the old one and paste in the new one. Like that. Almost forgot. In the enemy sprite, in the fixed collision at point F, remove the if down of controls greater than 0 and stop the script. So we don't prevent that bug again. So we can't prevent. Just gonna press L. I'm actually gonna reset this level. Good. Now I'm just gonna make this a level. I'm just gonna reset again because I need it 30 blocks wide and 20 blocks tall. And I think this will be the last level. So I'm just gonna place some of these tiles. I want to make this like a big slope. Maybe I should make this into a King of the Mountains. Of those sorts of games. Like that. I'm just gonna place more grass. Yep, like that. Maybe it feels like a bit triangular. I know there's still could be problems, but I'm not really bothered by that. If you want also a small, little, tiny challenge, you can also make this tile auto tile RNG. But that will be like a bit complicated since the world's just like, since like many people like different ideas of creations. Oops, bomb. Oh no, I just paused the project without loading. Wait. Oh yeah, I saved before. So at least that's a good thing. Before you replace stuff. I'm also gonna make like a opposite direction slope, but with the same like physics, but maybe not equal slopes. Yeah, it's not equal, but no one really cares. You can also make a grassland plains biome, whatever you want. But this brought to us another end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and smash the like button to view more teaching videos. Bye. I see you next time. Just gonna test. See you next time.